candy, Cartman?
Oh, let's see. Nope, I don't have any Jewish candy.
Like you really need all that chocolate, fat boy.
Blah, 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 blah.
Shh, the movie's starting. Hooray!
Say, Terrence, what did the Spanish priest say to the Uranian gynecologist?
I don't know, Philip. What? Where do they come up with this stuff? You're such a pig fucker, Philip. What did he say?
Terrence, why would you call me a pig fucker?
Well, let's see. First of all, you fuck pigs.
Oh, yeah.
Well, fuck my ass and call me a bitch.
Oh, you shit-faced cockmaster.
Wow. Shit-faced cockmaster. Listen, you donkey-raping shit-eater.
Donkey-raping shit-eater.
Dopey baby, she did her.
You'd fuck your uncle.
You'd fuck your uncle.
Shut your fucking face, Uncle Fucker. You're a cocksucking ass-licking Uncle Fucker. You're an Uncle Fucker, yes it's true. Nobody fucks uncles quite like you.
Shut your fucking face, Uncle Fucker. You're the one that fucked your uncle, Uncle Fucker. You don't eat or sleep or mow the lawn. You just fuck your uncle all day long.
What's going on here?
What's garbage?
Well, what do you expect? They're Canadian.
Shut your fucking face, Uncle Fucker. Uncle Fucker, you're a boner body bastard, Uncle Fucker.
You're an Uncle Fucker, I must say.
You fucked your uncle yesterday. Uncle Fucker, that's U-N-C-L-E. Fuck you, Uncle Fucker. Suck my balls.
Well, cause my bitch, she's a big fat bitch, she's the biggest bitch in the whole wide world. She's a stupid bitch, she's everyone's a bitch, she's a bitch to all the boys and girls. On Monday she's a bitch, on Tuesday she's a bitch, and Wednesday to Saturday she's a bitch. Then on Sunday just to be different, she's a super king, Kamehameha, bitch. Have you ever met my bitch house mom? She's the biggest bitch in the whole wide world. To me, no bitch, and she has stupid hair, she's a bitch, 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 she's a stupid bitch. Cause mom's a bitch, and she's a